welcome back to the XR80 build series. I forget where I even last left off, but as of now, the bike is going back together. I got a couple things I need to do. I just got done cleaning up all the hardware. I do need to replace this seat cover. There's the original one. I just took off this little guy right here. This is the one that was on it. It's got some holes and had a little duct tape on it, but the old one has seen some wear as well, so pop this fresh one on there. Then I've got all the bearings, linkage bearings, swing arm bearings. I replaced all those this morning. They're all good, all greased up. Got the frame here and got the steering stem bearing races mounted in there, top and bottom. So we're all set to go back together. I can't think of anything else that I need to do. So aside from like put some stickers on the tank, and that's about it. So I only have a few hours to work on it tonight, so if I don't finish it up tonight, just get back at it tomorrow. Hopefully everything goes together smoothly, don't have any issues, fires right up, and we're done with it. We'll see what happens. So I decided not to put the fork boots back on because you can tell not only are they cracked just a little bit here and there, I guess this one's decent, but they are so faded that, I mean, when they're on there it makes it look like garbage. So this side cover, somebody slapped a grenade sticker on there. Basically, if I try to peel that off, it just pulls the paint off of here. I know this is not like a good paint job, but I don't have any way of painting that. We got quite the color scheme going here. So, hey, at least you know it's an XR though. So here it is, it's all put together. I got a few missing bolts somewhere that I gotta track down just to get the seat on there, but for the most part, that's it. It's a little funky looking just because of the gas tank and seat are both different color reds. It's pretty much an orange. But you know, it looks like a really fresh little XR80. I think somebody's gonna like it. Hopefully tomorrow I can get all the fluids in there, rip it around a little bit, see how she runs. I'll see you then. It is one ugly little bike, but you know what? I think it's better than when we started, so I guess there's that. I tossed some oil in it this morning and tightened up everything, so just need a little bit of gas. Fire this thing up, see how it runs. Alright, we're all fueled up. Oh baby! I'm probably gonna go rip this around in the woods, maybe get a few pictures up there, toss it on Craigslist, and be done with it. Like always, Patreon and affiliate links down in the description. If you enjoyed this video and the rest of this series, go ahead and check out the other videos. Some good stuff on this 30-year-old bike. You know, we did what we could with it. Overall, turned out all right. Worth the work and money for it? Probably not. I don't expect to make a whole lot of money off this, if any, just because the linkage and swing arm bearings and steering stem bearings, those actually cost quite a bit, and kind of ate into profits there. That was like 150 bucks plus for all those bearings, so that kind of sucked. But it is what it is. Refurbished an older bike, gave it a little bit more life, pass it on to the next person. It is definitely not the prettiest looking thing, but it is a little bit prettier than when I first got it, so I guess there's a tiny win there. I just got done ripping around my backyard for a little bit. All the brakes, clutch, everything works just fine. Thing idles perfect. Don't even have to adjust the carb or anything. Like I said, if you did like the video, go ahead and let me know. Next bike on the menu is going to be either this TTR125 behind me, there it is hiding back there, or a YZ125 that I have that absolutely rips. Like usual, more and more content coming, so hope you enjoyed everything. See you later. Peace.